Alright, so this is just an explanation for how to fix a really common error that people keep sending me, and they keep thinking that there's something wrong with the plugin, but there's actually a really simple fix for it. So when you just install the plugin and you try to use it, you'll see like an error occur. You'll be able to click it, but you're not going to get any of the messages that are supposed to be coming up. And if we look at the console, you can see the error says something along the lines of cannot translate null text, and it'll give you like chat color dot translate alternate color codes, yada yada. All you need to do is if you have a plugin manager, you can like the plugman plugin, you can unload the plugin and then reload it, and boom, it's fixed. Or if you don't have a plugin manager installed, all you need to do is restart the server, and the messages.yml and the config.yml, don't delete those, because when they regenerate, that's what the issue stems from. So if you just run it again, it'll work fine.